Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on Linux Mint 22.3, but the process is same on all Linux Mint 22 versions. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Linux Mint, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18.4. Click on download or click on download, both are same. Then click on Linux. Then see here, we don't have the Linux Mint, but open terminal. /etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu Debian and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so click on this Ubuntu. Then see, PostgreSQL apt repository currently supports versions of Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so we have to run these commands one by one. First, it is going to import the repository key. So, copy these commands one by one and execute. See, both are already newest versions. Now, create this file and instead of here code name resolute, we have to give Noble because Ubuntu code name is Noble. So first create this file, copy it, sudo va, paste it, hit enter, press I to insert mode, then copy this text, paste it, go up, remove this resolute, press I, then Noble, escape, :WQ, save the file. Okay, now update the packages. Again I am telling you, just I replace here resolute because here Ubuntu code name is Noble. That's why I have given Noble instead of this resolute. That is the only change I made in this text. Okay. Next, update the packages. Ctrl A, sudo apt update. See, all packages are up to date. Ctrl A. Now install PostgreSQL Server 18.4. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL-18. If you want to install 17, give 17. 18. Hit enter. See, it is going to install these packages and these dependencies. Type A for confirmation. Hit enter. And version of the PostgreSQL Server is 18. Okay. See here. Type and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 18.4 and this is the data directory location. And see here, this default value is max connections 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes. This is the time zone based on my machine settings. Okay, Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL Server is active and running and its service status is enabled. Quit to quit. Ctrl L. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres esql. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server 18.4. This is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server 18.4. Quit to quit. Ctrl A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of users that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user privileges. You can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, you got the same. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is a password. You have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases /shell. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Quit to quit. You can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. Okay, now create database. Ctrl A, create database. See, we have created database and this is the one of the database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c or connect. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank and with the as a user Postgres. Now verify list of tables in this database. See, you don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created a table customer in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. As I told you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is a password. See, we have created user David. Now we will connect PostgreSQL Server with this user. So first exit \q PSQL Control A PSQL -h, which means host name. Local host is fine because PostgreSQL Server is installed on this one. U caps U. New username is David -d means database. Provide the password that he has set for this user. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. Yes. Now run the query insert table that is there in this database. See, permission denied for table customer because we have created user. We haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Control A. Now exit. Now we see how to start and restart PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on Linux Mint 22. Okay, but we can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL Server is stopped or inactive 4 seconds ago. We can also verify the same by trying to connect to PostgreSQL Server. Status. Yes, see, you are unable to connect. So start it again. Exit sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. See, we have started 2 seconds ago. Quit to quit Control A. Now we'll see how to restart the PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on Linux Mint. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Quit to quit Control A. Until now we have connected. Until now we have performed these actions on PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL Server by using pgadmin or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Linux Mint. Okay, I have already installed dbeaver. If you haven't, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install dbeaver on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on this plugin button or click on this database and select new database connection. Then select the database connection. Then click on next. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed on localhost, port number 5432. We have that user Postgres. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. Then click on test connection. Successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server 18.4. Click on OK. Click on finish. Now expand the connection. Expand databases. See, here we have the database bank. If you want to create database, right click, create new database. Then click on OK. Now run the query. Now if you want to run queries against this database, right click, SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. Select star from customer. Click on execute. See, you got the output. You can also verify here. Sudo su-postgres PSQL / See, we have created. See, we have the database. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install configure PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on Linux Mint 22.3. Then we have connected PostgreSQL Server from the PSQL and DBA. Okay, for more database or PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.